take the steps down. There are the shops around the hotels. This is where you can enter. So they are doing some construction stuff, and then on the side you have another shop. Okay, so this is basically the entrance. Then you go in. Oh my gosh, so many bags. There's a reception. There's a crystal restaurant, lobby, bar. Okay. Then there's a market on the side. Some shops. Okay, so that's the lobby. There's a lot of things happening at this hotel. Hikukawe. More steps. And this is the back of the building. More shops on the side. So if you want to have a wedding, very classy. And then if you want to have a massage, more shops with bags. Okay, there's a lot of things going on in this hotel. And then the bathroom, toilet, food. Let's go in. So I'm gonna go to my room 11. Okay, so those are all the things happening on this hotel. Yes. And we are here. Okay, now we are at my room. Let me turn on the light. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I just turned on the light so you guys can see everything. And this is the key holder. Search here. These are the lights. These are like the only lights that they have. This is the wardrobe. There's a mirror here. And then the normal door. So they also provide you with a gown and slippers. Yes. And then some laundry if you want to do your laundry. And then table here. on the floor, and then there's a fridge here, bar fridge, and then here we have some strong stuff. So yeah, and then some water, kettle. There's a bathroom, there's a door, it's pretty old. And then here we have the mirror, the elephant. I don't know how they turn the tap like this, but like, yeah, this is for drinking water, as you can see. And then here I have glasses. They give you a toothbrush actually. So have like a toothpaste and a toothbrush. It's actually quite nice. And then here I have your essentials and stuff. This is shampoo. And this is foam bath. And then you have a telephone. You have some tissue. The toilet. I don't know why they open it like this. Like this, it's not a man that lives here, you know. And then you have your basic shower. This shower is actually, the water is pretty hot, you know, that nice warm hot. So what happens here is if you want to open the water, and then if you want to open the shower, you have to pull this, and then you have to pull the shower. Yeah, I have to do that. I can't do it because I'm carrying the phone on this hand. And then here, if it's blocked here, so if you want to open, just pull this thing up, and then there's a towel, and then where you put your soap, and then you have that glass thingy going on, and then you have your towels at the curtain. And then what else is there? Let me just show you the view from here. It's the apartment, the hotel is pretty old, but it's clean, and it has that closet thing going on. And then now off to my bed. Okay, there's my suitcase over there. It's too big, can't put it in the wardrobe. And then have my bed, big bed all to myself. Yes. And then have the romantic lamp. Yes, another mirror over there. And then they give you this map and guide if you want to go on a tour. And then you have that thing that they always put on the most stuff here. But they also provide you with a hair dryer. And then yeah, there's a chair over here, and then some curtains, and then some chair. Yeah, and then basic stuff. Okay, so the interesting part that I want to show you guys is that remember I showed you 2 lights. So now I'm going to show you here like how you control the light. So if you want, even the aircon, you control it here, high, medium, low. So if you want to turn off the aircon, just press here. See, now it's quiet. And then do not disturb. If you want them to make up your room, press here, master, entrance. These are all the lights. I turn on all the lights. As you can see, there's light here. And then if I do this, you see now it's like a bit dark in this. See, it's a bit dark. The light is off. The curtains have this thing that you pull them like this, the old classy stuff. And then when I open the curtain, this is the view that I got. So there's a pool downstairs, so I have to show you guys the pool. And then there's a pool upstairs, but they maintaining the pool, so I don't know if I'll be able to go upstairs and show you guys. But I don't think I'm going to be swimming because I'm like just busy. So yeah, I think now we should go and check out the pool. Okay, so I forgot to show you this side of the room. Okay, there's a TV there. I don't even watch this TV. So the pool is Okay guys, the pool on the 12th floor, I can't go there because it's under maintenance, as you can see. Okay, so this is the pool and gym area. Okay, so the gym is right over there. Oh my. Oh my.